welcome to our brand new YouTube channel. It's going to be a really short video as I'm going to introduce myself. So, I will be making a lot of makeup videos, makeup tips, tricks and hacks and many other things. So, please stay tuned for that. I will come with new video very soon. Also, I'm on Instagram, so please do follow me. I'm going to mention my Instagram handle somewhere on screen so that you guys can follow, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you are not going to miss any of my videos.